Viewers, welcome back to your life changing partners channel, and as you can see, everything is going on right here. The funeral of our late two assemblymen is about to go, and as you can see, the preparation and everything is going on. So by tomorrow morning, the funeral grounds will be prepared for our late assemblyman burial. So mosheni mane ekoso na wotumi wo senya me adom ochina be pray assemblyman for me no nkra bia wati ase channel be baby edi o makwakoto si be hwese nyame adom ochina no pa bibia ebekoso ewo ha sei elubo stadium wati ase ha na bibia ebekoso live wati ase GCC ano mtusuye ne bibia ekoso se ne be ya nyame adom ochina bibia ebe ye fine wati ase. Viewers, welcome back to your life-changing partners channel. I have seen our being who the course we are singing now. I have also made a echo, and I had the CSA assemblyman for me more Jomoro district our western region. I share a monka, a car, a consume. Now I another day, and I am to 2 years and a bear, Yamia the Mochina, a Yikasan Ebecoso, our Libo Stadium. Na ya pre omo krabia what ase ti enena bibia ekoso, so as you can see we normally bibia ntoto ye ekoso se na be ya bibia ebe ye fine nti nyame ade mo kire wa hase de mo pe bia ye de be mamo ni hia ne so be join this channel na obe hu de ye be koso bia what ase you have to stay with us. This is your life changing channel and everything is going to be right here. Obe hu bibia live e this channel nti person hu de be koso bia. Just subscribe to this channel, and we are bringing everything to you on your life changing partners channel. Thank you. What's your say?
Bad. This is really bad. And I mean what? Cause like the thing is, sad because assembly me know what me we abom say pa there.
Bad. You see, we go and sikwa what I say. Sikwa because we share the day meeting minya nti yese assemblyman mienu no onya akwanhia no cheze na mekoye mwanwa western region elubo as a Jomoro constituency.
Assemblyman mienu pa important persons, important people's pa mienu kra timi awu abom say there to say no enyekwa
ya be kama dia na cheze no na ye ka kire mu no de mu hwe yi sisia no eye ekura ye frɛ no elubo Eshemu Western Region in Zemaland, the border city, ewe Elubo. Ufri Eluba na wo ko Uramu Ivory Coast. Elubo omune Ivory Coast ena omoshe border. That is it. Omumienu ena omoshe border. Na sisi ade wani ehu sisi ano I think say bia nipa bu ha onte ase wonim de ekoso. Elubo no Constituency na ye kan Jomoro constituency no assemblyman mienu abaku free elubo baku su free ekura ye friend nungwa assemblyman mienu no eko meeting assembly meeting ewo ekura ye friend no half a sene nti on their way coming no that was 2 months ago actually on their way coming no na yesi kabi ono so na oba on say ye ba be wura June July dia onu ani twase nsuo toto nti omo ba no na nsuo to pa nsuo kase na I don't know fofi antoata na omunya kwanhia aka no ba be bom kan bom kogu kan say bush a e wo kwan na no nti the time an go for be rush na say aye too late omo mienu nyina omo awu yeah sure tamu mienu omo wo sure omo fun nyina wo ho no yeah omo fun nyina wo ho no very bad pa yeah and you know and that day eda ya kwako yi omo mienu nyina free much room na de omo abeto baby papa njare chia and you know what we can do again. So life changing partners. Information be ebe koso bia ye de bebrem echina funeral arrangement no mo mbeba how I niam be ko ina ye de bebrem yeah. So the America John say stay 10, you should stay 10. Subscribe to YouTube channel no bibia be kama ndamase.